Hi Cancer, welcome to Moon Dance Tarot. My name is Melissa. This is your what do you need to know about love coming towards you from now until the rest of the month of November 2024. This video, like I said, is for Cancers, any placements that you have Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. I hope you're doing well. I am ready to get started. While I was shuffling, I heard the month April, and I also heard March. So I don't know what significance that month has to you or maybe somebody around you, but I heard March and April for sure. So, can I have 5 cards about what Cancer needs to know about what is coming towards them in love? 5 cards, please. Okay, I'm almost done here. Sorry. Sorry. Can I get one more card? Yep, here we go. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, at the bottom of the deck, 3 of Cups. So we have the 2 of Swords reversed. We have the Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, and like I said, 3 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Okay, so give me just a moment what we have here. Cancer, with the 2 of Swords reversed and the 3 of Wands and the 3 of Cups, I feel like you're emerging from something. And from this emergence comes this 9 of Pentacles vibe that you're just putting out. Like you're doing really, really well for yourself. And with the Wheel of Fortune, I want to clarify that Wheel of Fortune. I feel like with this emergence of this newfound self, that's what I'm feeling, newfound self. It's like something is coming in because of that 3 of Wands. That's like waiting for things to come in. Can we clarify the Wheel of Fortune? Wheel of Fortune, can we clarify? Page of Cups. And Queen of Wands at the bottom of the deck for that. Okay, so you do have someone coming in, and I want to know more about this Page of Cups. It may be an apology as well. We have the Queen of Cups on the table. That's you. That's your energy. What can I know about this Page of Cups? Ace of Wands. Nine of Swords. 3 of Cups again. 4 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Cancer, I feel that you have a past person who wants to come in with an apology. This past person you may have mutual friends with, or maybe in the past you started out as friends. And for some of you, I feel that you tried to go from friends to more than friends, and something didn't work out. But I'm sensing pause. I feel a pause for some reason. But I feel like this person is seeing how well you are doing. And it's almost like I feel like this person may not be doing the greatest in their life. I'm hearing a plane go by, so I'm taking that as a sign of movement, like confirmation of someone coming towards you with an apology, or somebody wants to communicate. It's almost like with the Ace of Wands, the Nine of Swords, and my throat kind of closed up there for just a second. It's like someone is stressed out and in their head about thinking about how to rectify the situation with you. And it does have them worried. And with that Four of Cups at the bottom of the deck, that can signify boredom, but that can also imply fear of rejection. But either which way, it's like they are thinking about how they can come to you to apologize and see if, with the Ace of Wands, if there is a way to start over. Now that's up to you entirely if you want to accept that apology. And with the Three of Cups, it's like you have the chance to still be friends, if not lovers, at least friends. What does this person want to apologize about? That's what I want to know. And with that Wheel of Fortune, with the Page of Cups, I'm wondering if this person is waiting for the right time to come to you with that apology. Like, this is very, they want to make sure that they have a good job, good money. They want to make sure that they look right on paper. I don't know why I just got that. They want to have all the right words to say to you. So what does this person want to apologize about? Can you guide me to like 3 cards that this person wants to apologize about? Okay. So what this person wants to apologize about, they've got the Knight of Wands, the Strength card, and the King of Cups, and the Five of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So someone is very apologetic, whether you know it or not, very apologetic for their past behavior. This person may have been trying to flee from commitment with the Knight of Wands. Maybe they were acting a little philanderous. I'm not saying that this person was a cheater. It's just that their unwillingness to commit, perhaps, perhaps had you wondering if you weren't the only one in this situation. With strength, this isn't just about like courage and being brave. Strength is also about compassion, because This woman here, she has her hand next to the lion's mouth. Once again, because she's brave, but also she knows that she could possibly be bit, but she's still going to bestow compassion to the lion that may perhaps bite her. So I don't know why I want to put it like that. It's like I think they want to come to you with an apology, knowing that maybe you're the lion this time and you might bite them. But they do want your compassion. This person may have also really messed with your feelings. I'm not getting like mind games, but with the Five of Cups, I'm just getting the feeling that this person, they know that they put you in your feels. And it's like now the tables have turned, and boy, they sure are sorry, because boy, they are the ones in their feels now. Now that, you have finally put in the work into yourself, like mind, body, soul, spirit, external. I'm getting kind of like a glow up feeling. And even work. It's like you are in a good place in your life. And they're thinking, what an idiot I am. I could have had that. I could have had cancer in my life. I'm going to pull some oracle cards here. What are some numbers or some words that I need to pick up on for Cancer? What are some numbers or words significant to this reading? Teaching and learning. Number 57. Perseverance. Individuality. And rebirth at the bottom of the deck. So teaching and learning, number 57. The number 12 may be significant. You may have a birthday of July 12th. Maybe their birthday is on the 12th. We also have perseverance, number 4, 11, and 16. So any of those numbers may be significant, but what I'm getting here is that with the individuality card and the rebirth, I feel like this is you, your energy with that 9 of Pentacles. I did use the word emerge earlier. You emerged from this not allowing yourself to be taken down. You use this as a way to build yourself up. It's like this whole situation, it was about teaching and learning for you. You learned so much about yourself. You learned so much about love and life. You learned a lot about this person from this situation. It taught you a lot. And I even think now with the 9 of Pentacles, you're far enough in your healing journey from whatever this person did to you that you're now grateful for it. I'm getting like gratitude journal, like somebody who does gratitude journals, or you were talking to a friend. I'm just getting that you have like outed the words. I'm really grateful that this happened, because if this wouldn't have happened, I wouldn't have worked on myself the way that I did. And I learned resilience. That's a good word for that. Like you dusted yourself off. And with the perseverance card, I feel like this person really is feeling quite perseverant into communicating with you. With that apology, I almost feel like a lengthy explanation is coming with it as well. Like they really want to talk to you about why they were the way that they were. And I do feel with the King of Cups and the Five of Cups, it would be a very heartfelt apology. Once again, it is completely up to you if you accept an apology. We all have free will. You may be ahead enough in your game now where you don't want to go back to entertaining that person again. That's fine. Nothing wrong with that. But you may also be of the mindset that it would feel wrong not to forgive them. But you can forgive and forget and still move on, or you can forget and heal with the person. Freedom, failure, and boundaries. Love at the bottom of the deck. So this person, I don't know why they didn't see it before. How amazing of a person you are, but they see it now. They really do have a lot of love for you. I feel like you have a lot of love for this person too. I think it's just out of your genuine, kind-hearted nature that you will always have like some sort of like frequency of unconditional love for this person. And I feel like, so we have freedom, failure, and boundaries. I just heard You Can Go Your Own Way by Fleetwood Mac. And I heard a truck passing as I was, thinking You Can Go Your Own Way. I feel like these three cards are saying these are all three plausible outcomes of this situation with this person. It's up to you. Like I said, you have free will. You can either completely untether yourself from this person and give yourself the freedom and forgive and just move on in your life. With the failure card, if you do move on, and I mean like move on for good from them, this is going to hurt them. That will hurt them very, very much. And it'll be exactly the rejection that they were worried and stressed about. They're hoping that it doesn't lead to that. Your other option is you can forgive and you can try to rebuild the situation, maybe like rebirth the situation with them, rebuild, but it has to be with boundaries. I think with the Queen of Cups energy here, that's you, Cancer. She is so loving and she's so forgiving and she's so compassionate and she's so understanding. But the Queen of Cups does lack boundaries. That's just the thing about water. It's not rigid. It's very, very fluid. And so it feels very anti-nature to instill boundaries, and not just instill them, but keep them enforced. That's another thing that would make a lot of Cancers uncomfortable. But now that like you've really put the work into yourself with the Knight of Pentacles, I feel like you would be a total boss and respected by them for saying, I forgive you. We can try to work on this. Whatever happened in the past, we can move on. We both taught and learned each other in this situation, and we can use that, but it's going to be with boundaries. Because this person with the Knight of Wands does not understand the word no. This person may have pushed your boundaries many, many, many times in the past. And because you are, of course, the compassionate, caring person that you are, Cancer, those boundaries got put to the wayside and things maybe just got out of hand. But with the Three of Wands, it's like, you know, in the Queen of Cups, it's like, I think you can feel them. You do have a psychic link to this person. You can feel them wanting to come to you with an apology. I think you can feel their restless and anxious energy. And you're just kind of like sitting, I don't want to say high and mighty, but you're sitting pretty well and you're just waiting for this to happen. But this person is coming in all in due time because they do want to make things just right. So that way the package looks perfect for Cancer when they do come for your hopefully acceptance of an apology. But that is completely up to you. Use your discernment, and of course always listen to your intuition and follow the signs of how you should handle this matter. But Cancer, from now until the end of November of 2024, expect some heartfelt communication from someone who has hurt you in the past, and they want to come back. But it is, like I said, up to you to decide to accept that apology, forgive them, or maybe to you it is too little, too late. But Cancer, regardless of how you handle the matter, I really hope that this reading did help. I will be posting more videos throughout the month, so I really do hope that you come back. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the month. Okay, bye Cancer.